In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up a React and TypeScript project using Zustand. To get started, I will create a React app, and I will be using Vite in this example. I will run this command to create the React app. For the project name, I will type in a period so that the files are created in the current directory. Select React, then TypeScript, run npm install. Going back to the documentation, if we scroll down, we need to install the Zustand package, which we can do by copying this command and then just pasting it. Going back to the documentation, the first step is to create a store. Copy the code. Then we need to create a file called store.ts. Paste in the code we just copied. One change we need to make is to specify the types for the state. I will paste that in here. Then we can specify the states to be of type bear state by just typing in this. One last change to make is to make sure we export this. So just type in export just like this and make sure to save your changes. Open the app.tsx file. And I'm going to replace all the code with my own code, but I will explain what each line is doing. On line 3, I'm importing the store that we just created. On line 7, I'm just selecting the bear count from the global store. So in this case, I'm just accessing the number of bears by doing state.bears and storing it into this variable here. On line 8, I'm doing the same thing for the increased population function. On line 12, I'm just displaying the number of bears here. On line 13, I just have a simple button that each time it's clicked, it will just increase the population by 1. Now I will run the React app just to show you what the application looks like. This is what it should look like. We should see the text 0 around here, and each time we click the button, it should increase every time we click it. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.